Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir about 8 days ago, to be precise on February 21st of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $135.24. And at this point my main assumption was that as long as this bottom holds, and we had all the chances to see this as the lowest point for the entire retracement for Palantir, we have all the chances to see its movement to the upside that will retest around $200 mark. And guys, take a look right here. This is wait a second, this is the actual price action of Palantir. We had another couple of legs of consolidation, and for now, at pre-market hours, Palantir is at $141.72. On top of that, guys, just yesterday, 15 hours ago, for my patrons, as you can see, this video is unlisted and I made it basically less than 24 hours ago, I confirmed this movement to the upside, and I drew these several lines, additional blueprints that will reflect potential price action for Palantir. And on today's video, I will show you the same exact setup. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, and if you want to benefit out of my knowledge, out of my experience, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, I will show you how we can benefit out of its upcoming movements and what crucial levels does Palantir have. So, let's start with the general sentiment related to Palantir stock. And if you type in Google search bar Palantir stock and switch to news tab folder, you will not see a lot of recent news that potentially might be a catalyst for the upcoming week. But in general, guys, we know that the main news for the entire stock market and for the entire world is the Iran conflict. And we are in the most, I believe, in the most active phase of this conflict right now. And that is why, guys, Palantir is in its potential uptrend, is at the very beginning of its uptrend. And let me show you some more details about the forecast from the analytic firms. Since I made my previous video, we have two updates. One of them was made by UBS. Basically, yes, two updates, and the second one was made by Rosenblatt Securities, and the price targets are following: $180 and $150 with the buy rating, and definitely it is a substantial upside potential of at least 9.9% from Rosenblatt, and according to UBS, the upside potential is 31.2%. And the average consensus analyst price target among 20 analysts is $188.82. which is more than 37% of upside potential. That is why, guys, I believe that we still have all the chances to see its movement to the upside, and well, this movement should be substantial. On top of that, guys, in my previous video, I showed you that Palantir just recently signed several new contracts with the Ministry of War. And these contracts are definitely quite important for Palantir, because they are not only add to the so-called piggy bank of Palantir, but they were signed right before this massive conflict in the Middle East. That is why, guys, I believe Palantir as the most important tool for the Ministry of not Defense but Ministry of War will be one of the major beneficiaries for the next at least several weeks. That is why, guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, guys, as I mentioned in the majority of my previous videos, we have to see a major leg to the upside. And for now, even in the most bearish case, let's zoom out to, let's say, 6 hours time frame. You can see that Palantir completed its structure to the upside, and for now we have all the chances to have this bottom as our major bottom, because well, I have two counts. One of them is more bullish, one of them is less bullish, but it should be another major leg to the downside. So even in the most bearish case, if we are in this type of retracement, we have to see this movement to the upside that will complete its B wave, and right after that this asset should land lower and it should break this bottom. But I believe that if it happens, it will happen within several months, not earlier than I believe mid of summer of 2026. And I will do plenty of updates on Palantir, and I will show you how you can benefit out of its movement. In the more bullish scenario, guys, we might have basically I have two bullish scenarios, and in the most bullish scenario we might have from this bottom a strict movement to the upside, which will land right above the previous all-time high. In the less bullish scenario, we might see another set of consolidation waves that will not break $125, but eventually it will break previous all-time high. And I don't want to pay attention to this scenario because it is too early to make this assumption. I want to pay attention to these two scenarios. One of them is more bullish, one of them is less bullish. And guys, if we are in both of them, and I have no doubts that as long as this bottom holds, we have to see this movement to the upside. Both of these scenarios have very substantial wave in common. We might see 1, 2, 3 setup on the movement to the upside on this movement, which will be absolutely the same as the top of the B wave of wait a second, of this scenario. And this top of the B wave might retest at least this previous high at roughly, let's say, $200 mark. And $200 is a psychological number as well. That is why, guys, we might see this movement. And if we want to benefit out of this substantial increase, improvement in the share price of Palantir, to catch about 50% of potential profit, with the downside potential not more than, let's say, 10%. And yes, we are a little bit higher than the current price right now. The market is still closed, but this is the overnight session price, $141.66. We might see some consolidation right at market opens, but then within next couple of days it should have a substantial movement to the upside. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.